Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sam. We're back for another video. I'm on a boat. As you can see, I'm in the boat bedroom and whatever. So, today I will be showing you guys how crazy it is outside right now. I'm inside because it is so crazy out there. I was wearing my life vest because I went out there and I needed one because it was so windy. So I apologize for the next few minutes of the video. It's gonna be shaky cam because
you know what? They shoot those front spray bars that have been all loose for like 3 years. They're not hurting anything.
I apologize for noises and bad lighting. Look, it's really crazy out there. We just went under this bridge. You guys can see that right there. We just went under that. It was pretty cool. So I go up this beautiful staircase. I can show you guys. I do apologize if the lighting is so bad. I can give you guys a pretty nice view of where we are going. So we're about to land at where we're gonna be finishing. So this video is gonna be super long because we're almost back to where we're gonna be landing. Not landing, just docking, I guess. This is the upstairs area of the boat. I'm gonna give you guys a quick boat tour. We got the upstairs area. We got some seating and stuff. Pretty sweet up here. We got, of course, the nice view. And we go back down the staircase. Go back down the stairs here. We have a back deck. Pretty dope. Inside, we have a little seating area with a TV, a nice kitchen. That's where the driver is. It's my dad, my grandpa. Actually, this is a perfect opportunity for me to introduce my dog. This is Kepler. Yes. Kepler, say hi to the camera. Hello, everybody. I will be making my own YouTube channel. Yay! So I will see you guys on that channel. Yes. That's great, Kepler. Alright, so we got our seating area, kitchen, sits. And if we go downstairs here, we got a bedroom in here. That's where I slept last night. And here we got a bathroom. Ooh. Gotta kind of slam it closed. And then in here is the master bedroom. Pretty sweet, if you ask me. Now I'm gonna take you guys to the front of the boat. There's again the back. Pretty cool. We'll go up the side. It's so windy. Alright. See ahead of us. You can see behind us the boat. There's the upstairs area there, and there's the downstairs area. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, then please do smash that like button. I want to see if we can go for 3 likes. 3 likes. Going for 3 likes on this video. You guys, let's head back downstairs into my room. Fit through the door. Set up the camera. just thank you guys so much once again for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, then leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll also be doing more gaming type videos as well. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace! What? You're supposed to stop!